Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're talking about the LumeCube 2.0. The LumeCube 2.0 is the smallest professional quality LED light for photo and video on the market. It's built and designed for those run and gun creators. It's about the size of a golf ball, but don't be fooled. The LumeCube is a pretty powerful light for such a small product. It's daylight balanced with a 95 plus CRI, and the new 80-degree beam angle lens provides a clean spread of light. It's really easy to use, especially with its two-button system. One button to increase the light intensity, the other to decrease it. You can also toggle between light modes. The LumeCube 2.0 has a new low light mode, which allows users to adjust in 1% increments. All you have to do is hold down both buttons, and just like that, it drops from 1 to 10% brightness, which is great for creative long exposure photography. It's also got a 360-degree optical sensor for flash photography. You can also control the light from up to 60 feet away with the LumeX app on iPhone or Android via Bluetooth. It will now charge via USB-C, and it will flash green when fully charged, so you aren't guessing if it's charged like you did in the previous model. It can run up to an hour and a half at the brightest settings, so you don't have to worry about missing your shot. The built-in quarter 20 allows you to attach the device on a light stand, a drone, tripod, or anything with a quarter 20 mount. Some accessories that are included in the box is a quarter 20 to cold shoe mount, a warming gel, a diffuser, and of course, a magnetic modification frame. So what will you create with your new LumeCube 2.0? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also hit that notification button so you can be alerted once a new video pops up on our channel. With that said, this is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.